my first time being in South by Southwest, and this shit is cracking like a motherfucker, dog. If it's cracking, tell me it's cracking. It's cracking. It's cracking. Yeah. Yeah. Fat boy, what's up? Fat boy.
All the way up, I'm all the way up. All the way up, I'm all the way up, all the way up. This is for the trunk, okay, okay. Sound like I got 808s in the blunt, bitch. But waiting on they Friday night, Monday morning, and I'm blowing, so I'm living life. All the way up, we all the way up, all the way up. We all the way up, we all the way up, all the way up. We all the way up, we all the way up, all the way up. Get it right, hit it twice, try to take another flight.
My name is Bunny, just thought that you should know. You riding with the Negro, don't give some fucks about a roll. You smell that killer on my clothes, twisting up that California roll. In my latitude, everyday blunted, that's Mac Dre on parole. For Frog, low rest his soul. With a pair of dirty chucks on my toes. I lost a lot in this shows, like when the thought is exposed. Lit my pre-roll on the stove and blew the smoke out my nose.